Today we will learn about use of alter statement, how to fetch data with select statement, what is aliases, use of limit keyword. So let's start. In previous video, you have learned about how to update or modify a data by update statement. The function of alter table is also similar like update, but the twist is the alter table used to update column name or table name, add extra column in table, delete column from table, etc. Let's explain it more with an example. Suppose you have an employee table like below. Sudden you remember that this table requires a extra column name, employee salary, and want to give that column name as EMP salary. So what will you do? Will you delete this table and recreate again? I think that will not be the better solution, due to require more time. You can simply add the EMP salary column at the end of the table. Alter keyword will help you to do this. You have to write the following query: alter table, employee, add EMP salary, varchar, 255, where employee is a table name, and EMP salary is your new column, whose data type is varchar with 255 max length. Let's do it into phpMyAdmin. Click the database under which your table is present. Click SQL. Write the query. Click Go. You can see the new column is added, with default null value. Now suppose you have noticed that during creation of table, one of the column spell is wrong, and you want to modify it with correct one. Then you can write the following query: alter table, table name, change old name, new name, with data type. If we take the previous table, then to modify this column name, the resultant query is as follows: where varchar is a data type of EMP name, with 255 character size. Let's try it also in phpMyAdmin. Click the database under which your table is present. Click SQL. Write the query. Click Go. You can see the column name is modified. You can also rename the table name by alter statement. The query will be look like below: alter table, table name, rename to new table name. You can try this query yourself in phpMyAdmin. You can also delete unnecessary columns from the table. To do that you have to write the below query: alter table, table name, drop column, column name. From previous table, if you want to delete the column EMP address, then the query will be like below. Let's try it into phpMyAdmin. EMP address column is exist in this table. We have to delete it. Click SQL. Write the query. Click Go. Now the column is deleted. Let's focus on select statement. Select statement is used to fetch any data from table. To fetch all data from table, the SQL query you need to write as below. Select asterisk from table name. To fetch some specific data from table, you need to write. Select column 1, column 2. Column N from table name. Let's take below table as example. Suppose the first requirement is, fetch all data, from below employee table. So the solution is as follows. Next, the second requirement is, fetch employee name, and employee salary, from below employee table. The solution of this requirement is as follows. In PHP-MyAdmin, if you write the query, select asterisk from employee, then it will show you whole table as a result, as we try to fetch all data by this query. So I will show you, by fetch some specific column, to show how select statement works. Let's do it. Go to table. Click SQL. Instead of asterisk, we will write two require columns. Click Go. You can see that table will show you only two columns. Remember, after select query, the fetched data that you able to show are not actual table. It is called virtual table or result table, where only result will be shown to you. Let's move on next topic. Aliases. Aliases means nickname. You can give a temporary new name to the particular column, while fetching data from table. Suppose from below table, after fetching EMP name, and EMP salary, you want to see the result as below. This is a virtual table. And these are the aliases name that you have to give during select query. The query you need to write. Select EMP name as employee name, EMP salary as employee salary, from employee. Let's go to PHP-MyAdmin. We are going to rename these two columns in result table. Click SQL and perform the query. Click Go. See, column's name is changed. Now if you want to display the result, with certain limit, what will you do? Suppose from below employee table, your requirement is, to show all details of an employee up to 2 rows only. Then the query for this will be as follows. The result table will show the all details of employee, but up to 2 rows. Let's check in a PHP-MyAdmin. The actual rows of employee table is 4. Now write the query with limit keyword. Click Go. This is a result table which shows only 2 rows, instead of 4 rows. So till now, what we have learned from this video. Alter table statement is used to modify a column, rename a table or column, add a column, etc. Select statement is used to fetch data from a table. Aliases is used to give sensible column name, during fetching any data. Limit keyword is used to show the result table, up to a certain number of rows.